Want to sound more natural in English? Let's learn 10 everyday phrasal verbs about people and things. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with phrasal verbs about people. Number 1. Watch over. It means to make sure nothing bad happens to someone or something. For example, my sister watched over our son while Ania and I went shopping. Other examples, the nurse watched over the patients all night. Can you watch over my bag while I grab a coffee? Number 2. Turn on. It means to attack or become hostile towards someone suddenly. For example, Adi has got a temper. He turned on me the instant I suggested he buy a new suit. Other examples, the crowd turned on the player after his mistake. She turned on her best friend during the argument. Number 3. Butter up. It means to praise or flatter someone so they'll do you a favor. For example, Toshiro's been buttering his brother up because he wants to borrow his car. Other examples. Don't try to butter me up. Just tell me what you want. He buttered up his teacher before asking for extra credit. Number 4. Fuss over. It means to pay a lot of attention to someone. For example, Jordan's aunts always fuss over him when they come to visit. Other examples. Parents often fuss over their children too much. My grandmother fusses over every little detail. Number 5. Look up to. It means to admire or respect someone. For example, Barney really looks up to his grandfather. He loves listening to his stories. Other examples. I've always looked up to my older sister. Many people look up to great leaders and teachers. Now let's move to phrasal verbs about things. Number 6. Gather up. It means to collect things together. For example, Nua gathered up the plates from the table and took them to the kitchen. Other examples. He gathered up his papers before leaving the meeting. Let's gather up the toys before dinner. Number 7. Part with. It means to give away or relinquish something important to you. For example, it was really hard to part with my old car. I'd had it since I was a student. Other examples. I can't part with this necklace. It's from my mom. He finally parted with his childhood baseball cards. Number 8. Come across. It means to find something by chance. For example, while looking through things in my attic, I came across an old portrait of my great-grandfather. Other examples, I came across an interesting article online. We came across a beautiful little cafe downtown. Number 9. Get back from. It means to retrieve something. For example, Mel lent Dave her lawnmower a month ago, and she finally got it back from him. Other examples, did you get your book back from Sarah? He got his wallet back from the lost and found. Number 10. Turn up. It means to be found, usually by accident. For example, Ava lost her passport ages ago. It turned up when she was cleaning the living room. Other examples, my keys always turn up in the weirdest places. Don't worry, your cat will turn up soon. Now you know 10 useful phrasal verbs you can use every day. Which one was new for you? Comment below and try making your own example sentence.